Tinanong ko yung iba eh. Hindi naman din nila gusto at busy din eh. How can it be an all-senator caucus when some are traveling and some are abroad, and some are not available and some aren't interested? And as I said, kahit anong gawin namin, hanggat walang sesyon, wala namang kaming masisimulan. Whatever we agree on will not be official because whatever vote we take can still change once we resume and or convene. At nais ko lang iwasto yung sinabi ni Senator Risa, narinig ko yung salitang delay. We are not delaying it, excuse me. We are simply proceeding with it legally, constitutionally, and in accordance with law. For us not to follow the law will in fact create more delay or more opportunities for either party to go up, question the proceedings we're undertaking, which will in turn result in more delays. Yes, ma'am.
You were saying, hindi po totoo yun. I just would like to ask, were you able to contact po yung iba nating kapwa senador para masabi na you tried to reach out with them para po dito sa possible caucus na hinihingi?
Paano ko sila matatanong kung interesado sila kung hindi ako nag-reach out sa kanila? Di siyempre, I messaged them, I talked to some of them. Of course, I needed to contact them about it. Number two, again, ano mang mapag-usapan namin, ganon din naman eh. Hanggat hindi kami nagre-resume, baliwala din at walang mangyayari. So, and unless all are actually available, then we can call one. Go, ma'am.
Another question po. Under what conditions can the Supreme Court intervene in a forthwith direction po?
In a?
Forthwith direction. Directive, rather.
There is a pending petition before the Supreme Court for mandamus. I just don't know if they will intervene or not. The Solgen will represent us in that case. Our deadline to file comment through the Solgen is on Monday next week, March 3. But the court has not yet intervened. That they have required us to make a comment is not intervention in my books. Hindi pakikialam at panghihimasok yun. Ginagawa lang nila yung trabaho nila. At gagawin din namin yung aming trabaho sa pamamagitan ng pagsumite ng comment sa Supreme Court dahil nire-require kami.